just saw the woodpecker. I just saw the woodpecker out here hanging with his homeboys. Let's see if he flies back. Is that him on the mountain? No, that's not. There he is. Getting the light. He's on White Tip's tree. Where? Right up here. This is awesome. So he's back. He's doing life. I see the woodpecker. Where is he? He was just over here. Woodpecker, where'd you go? He was just here. That's not him. This one just flew into the house, and his wings were spread and his head was on the ground, and oh God, I was afraid he was dead. Okay, we need you not to eat the bird. No eating the bird. Come on, come get a nut. No eating the bird. There we go. It's a woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. He had his wings spread out, and it's Mr. Brownfeet. Mr. Brownfeet. Very nice of you to come observe. Yeah, he had his wings spread out, and his head was on the ground, but then when I freaked out and started wailing, oh no, he heard me, and he got into this position. But you're gonna be okay, woodpecker. You have a little friend here named Rocket Dude, and I'll make sure he doesn't put your face in his mouth like he did another chipmunk yesterday. Now it looks like his beak is touching the ground, but it isn't. In the video it does, but I looked and it isn't. If you're gonna, Rocket Dude probably has some room down there. There's got to be somewhere we can move you. I've got birdhouses, just nothing for a woodpecker, but I could build one. Beautiful. I heard it. I was inside. I'd like to say working, but I was making a St. Patrick's Day video, but I should be working. It is noon. I'm allowed to be making a video, I guess. Is that blood? I'm trying to figure out if that's blood on his beak or if that's more red hair. I think it's blood. Oh, jeez, he's got a little friend here. No, don't bug him now. Come on. I know you're just curious. You're not going to eat him. There you go. But we got to leave him alone. There you go, buddy. To get a bowl of water for him, I come up and there was literally a chipmunk and 2 squirrels in the house, and then Mr. Brownfeet was on his way in. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to get a bowl of water for you. It's how it is, isn't it? Isn't it just the way, like, someone is hurt and everyone just kind of, it's just like humans, like someone's in the hospital and it's like, well, life goes on for the rest of us. All right, sweetie, I'm gonna try to get you some water. You hang tight here for a minute. I gotta find a vessel to put it in, and you got all these people running around. Hang on. I came out, and of all guys, it was Head Guy with his open head wound. Well, it was an open head wound, but he's healing now. And he was the one that was closest to him. So it was kind of interesting that we had a squirrel that has recently sustained a really big open head wound. that looks bad, sweetie. Oh God, that looks bad. All right. Well, but you're blinking, you're aware, you're alert. I'm gonna move this bowl a little closer to you, just in case. I don't want to crowd you. Nope. Okay, I won't. I'm moving back. It's good that you're moving. There's head guy. Hey, you want to show everyone how you're doing? You're getting better, aren't you? You're healing up. All right, you beautiful woodpecker. Like now, looking at it now, I'm like, well, maybe it is red fur. But up close, it looked like blood. I don't know. You gonna go look at the bird? You gonna go look inside? Oh, it's great Aunt Yurdy. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. Look at him. Starting to move. Nose. Okay. Oh, don't peck with your nose. It's gotta hurt. You don't want to be doing that. Let it heal. God. I hope he heals back up. You know, and it's unfortunate because you think of how often I have the door wall open. He could have just flown right in if it had been one of those times. But it was closed. I guess I don't need to make excuses for having the door wall closed. That's what most people do, but still. I'm so invested in this guy now. I don't want to leave. I want to... I don't know. He's on Etsy's tree, and she's got babies in there. Etsy's got babies in there, so this won't go well if she figures out he's out. Little feet on me. Little feet that are like, okay, enough with the bird. What about me? Nobody? I don't want to stalk him too much and make him feel uncomfortable. He crawled up to a branch. Well, he's going beyond the branch now. He's still on Etsy's tree. I got someone climbing me. Got someone climbing me like I'm a tree. Come here, little one. Come up the Amy tree. Where'd you go? Oh, I got someone else on the Amy tree. I got two people on the Amy tree. Ah, come on up. Come on. He's just sitting up there, but he found himself a branch. Oh, wait, did he just fly? He just flew because I said that, basically. I'm gonna let him be.